has strayed just a little too far from their flock. I've been so hungry, famished, just for a taste. Hello, little lamb. You seem to have wandered just a little too far from your flock. Quite a bold move for someone so small. Has someone gained a taste for grass that's so much more sweeter and untouched? Surely you're looking for somewhere where the grass is greener. A place where you can really sink your teeth into something that's so much more delectable. Well, maybe I can take you there. Right over there. Beyond the fence. Past the hedges. And in the shadows of the trees. You look nervous. Could it be not one of your flock has ventured out there in such a long time now? So very long. They speak of beasts that would tower over someone of your stature, with claws stained with blood that they would cut through wool and skin alike. Eyes watching your every move, piercing and unblinking. Teeth that shine with saliva, so strong that they could rip the flesh from bone with ease. No one has ever seen such a beast in such a long time. At least, no one has lived to tell such tales. Recently, of course. But I can protect you from such a creature. I'll keep you safe from any other beast that would appear and threaten you. Of course I can keep you safe. No wolf or beast will lay a claw on you. Not without my word. So you have nothing to fear. Now, do keep up. We do have quite a ways to go. Are you fretting? Such a big step, isn't it? Crossing the fence. If only one of your flock could see you now, I'm sure they would stop you, tell you to go back, shout at you to run. But you're not scared of that, are you? You're so much braver and bolder than they are. They're so content gnawing that same worn down patch day after day, so droll, so pathetic. But not you. No, not like you at all. You're so much braver. Does the thought of sinking your teeth into something so fresh and untouched not sound intoxicating? Come on, you're so close now. Just leap up and then back down the other side. Do be careful though. It's a big drop on the other side, and I'd hate for such a willing lamb to spoil himself. Oh, did I say spoil? Of course not. I meant hurt themselves. Yeah, I'll even go first. I can even catch you on the way down. Am I not such a kind and thoughtful guide? Come on now. You can do it. One big leap, and then I'll catch you. I promise. Come on. Now jump down to me. Jump down. Come on. Now. Now. Hurry up. Do you want the feast or not? Come on, little lamb. Come on. That's better. Such a big step for you, for such a tiny little lamb. I doubt you'll make it back over the fence from this side. Not by yourself, anyway. But you'll have to worry about that later. If you make it back. Oh, don't pull that face. It was only a little joke. You can just barely see your flock from here, through the fence. More appropriate to say they can barely see you. But you're past the point of no return now. Such a brave little lamb. It's just past that hedge now, and we'll be dining on such a succulent feast. Hurry now. At last. Below the shade of the trees. Come closer, little lamb. Come on. Don't be shy. It's right here, the untouched grass, for you to feast upon, sitting right beneath my feet. That's it. Just a little closer. You look puzzled. That the grass is barely any different. Did you really take the word of a wolf to tell you that he would lead you to more food? Are you really that stupid that you would believe that he'd protect you? What a terrible mistake you've made. What an utterly grave mistake. Oh, and there's that moment of realization where your heart sinks down and the world feels cold. Does my gaze unnerve you, since you're avoiding meeting my eyes and staring at the floor? Show me those eyes, those beautiful, terrified eyes. They make it all the sweeter. Why would I choose you? Well, it's quite simple. I just plucked out any little lamb that was stupid enough to wander off and listen to my honeyed words. Protect you. Oh, sweet thing. I never lied about that. I said I would protect you from other beasts that would prey upon you. But I never said anything about myself. You think I care whether you're safe or not. Don't be stupid. simply didn't want to share you with anyone else. That would steal my property away from me. I want you all to myself. Not a single piece wasted on any pathetic scrounging beast. Do you feel it? The anticipation of it all. Your trembling legs, your shallow breaths, and your heart racing. Don't try running now. You might spoil the taste. And besides, you'll never make it back to your flock. You wouldn't even be able to climb that fence again. And even if you did, what then? Your little legs couldn't possibly outrun me. Though, I would love nothing more than to see you try. Watch you run, desperate and helpless, calling out to your flock, who won't even hear you. And even if they could, they couldn't do anything to help you. But you'd still keep running, your heart pounding, beating, begging to give up. Your breath trying so hard to keep you going and crying out, going coarse and dry until it hurts, until it's unbearable, and myself following along, staying just behind, biting at that cute little tail of yours, just enough so you know that I am right behind you, toying with you, making you think that there might, just maybe, still be a chance to get away, before tearing that hope away, just so you know it was all for naught, knowing that the second you stop, I will have you. Even now my mouth salivates at the thought of descending upon your tender flesh. But I must hold myself back, as much as I wish to ravage you where you stand. I want to savor this. Perhaps I'll torture you more, have you plead for me to let you go. Obviously, you're too delicious a prize to let go, so I wouldn't dare give you up. But maybe, just maybe, you'll be able to reach my cold heart if you beg and plead enough. Go on, little lamb. Beg me to let you go. Louder. More sincere. You want me to let you go? Then come on. Beg to me. Beg. Because your pathetic little life depends on it. Are you scared, little lamb? Have your lips gone dry, and your voice starting to break? Such a pathetic display you've shown me, pitiful lamb. Should I put you out of your misery now? Or should I let you run? Forgive me. I don't mean let you go. No, not at all. I want to see you run. I want to see how desperate you are to get away. Run, little lamb. Run. And know that I'll be right behind you. And that you'll never escape. Like the video and subscribe if you enjoyed. A special thank you to Dancer, Sweet Canella, and Lance. Come join on Patreon if you'd like to hear more. I have been a Secret Moth. Thank you for listening, and good night. Sleep well.